make GIF on Canva from photos. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you the quick way to create GIF or GIF on the Canva using your photos. So let's begin. Firstly, open any web browser and search for canva.com to get access to the official website of Canva. You need to make sure to log into your particular account or the web version of Canva. Now at the bottom of the screen under the search section, click on videos and search for the particular video or the aspect ratio video that you want to use on your Canva. So for me, let's click on this create blank one at the top left corner of the screen. Once you get access to this blank page, you can simply go to this left panel and select the elements. So you have to remember that in order to create GIF using your photos in Canva, firstly you have to select the moving background. For that, you can easily select these elements and search for the ocean and the videos. Once you have done that, let's select a particular video. So let me choose this one. Once you have selected, right click on this video and click on shade videos as background. Once you have done that, you can also save the duration firstly. So click on the duration and you can easily save the clip as you wish. Once you have done that, select uploads at the bottom left corner or the left panel. You can easily find out uploads. You can upload file or you can also record yourself. For me, let's select the elements again and search for person. Once you have done that, press enter on the keyboard and you will find different kinds of photos of person. So let's look up for a particular person here. So I already have selected this particular image here for making GIF. Once you have done that, you can easily resize this as per your wish. Once done, you can also click on animate at top of the screen and use different kinds of animation as per your choice. So once you have done that, if you have the Pro Canva, then you can also use this speed feature because this is the Pro feature on Canva. Once you have done that, you can simply edit the image, flip, and use the Pro border style, position as well. So let's use left, middle to align to the page, and once you have done that, you can easily use the transparency as well. So once you are done with that, your GIF is ready. Let's see. So let's clip a more duration, and once you have splitted this and crop the duration, you can click on the share button at top right corner of the screen, and here you can click on the download button. So on the downloads, you can easily click on the arrow to choose the file type and here select GIF, and once done, click on download button and you can easily use this GIF anywhere that you would like to. So in this way, you can easily create GIF using Canva from your photos. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.